Automakers around the world are grappling with a shortage of semiconductors, forcing many to cut production. Taiwan had said it would ask local chipmakers, including world leader TSMC, to help ease the shortage, but it now says it can't interfere in company operations. Victoria Jen reports.
Taiwan's economic minister Wang Meihua said the current global crunch of chip was a result of the spread of COVID-19, and she said the government would do its part to help the countries in need, but it would not interfere with the operation of local chip makers. They include the world's largest chip maker, TSMC, and the fourth largest, UMC. Now, Taiwan has the world's second largest semiconductor industry by revenue after the U.S. While other industries worldwide have seen a shortage of parts, she said the government would not ask chip makers to give automakers the priority. But her latest comment contradicted with what she said a week ago, that the government would ask chip makers, including TSMC, to provide assistance to global automakers to ease supply crunch. The latest comment came just ahead of her virtual meeting with her U.S. counterpart and companies. And in the meantime, the minister has also denied the fact that the government would use Taiwan's chip supply to exchange for vaccines, saying that this would be against the rule of free market. But due to the shortage of vaccines, the Taiwan government has been under great pressure to source for vaccines. And based on the latest negotiation, health authorities say Taiwan could start receiving vaccines from June at the earliest. Victoria Jen, CNA, Taipei.